has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from the Catskill to Temecula, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Lehigh, Bethlehem, Forks, Emmaus, Northampton, Wilson, Washington, Allentown, Nazareth, Palmerton, Bangor, June Thorpe, Slavington, Penn Argo, Nesquehoning, Winnebago, Bath, and Belvedere. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 46 and 90. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 45 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 289. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Warren, New Jersey, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton.